Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the video's available quality and the player mode. Once done, select the highest quality in the gear menu. Lower resolution can look dimmer. Make sure theater or full screen is toggled because contrast and perceived brightness change with size. If your display or browser signals HDR, disable it for consistent brightness. Also check your monitor or phone brightness is at a reasonable level, not at 10%, because web playback only uses the display's current output. Now modify the video itself using browser tools or an extension. You can enable experimental flags or use a filter extension to add CSS brightness or contrast. This changes only the rendered video, not system settings. Increase brightness in small steps, try plus 10% first, and nudge contrast less aggressively so you avoid clipping highlights. Once you set sliders, play multiple scenes to ensure faces and shadows hold detail. If color looks off, lower saturation slightly and recheck. Finish by saving a preset in your extension or noting your preferred slider values for next time. Consistency helps. Make sure your browser and GPU drivers are updated and test the same video in another browser to isolate the problem. If brightness still seems wrong, clear cache and disable hardware acceleration temporarily. That often fixes renderer brightness bugs. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart the device after changes. Persistent oddities usually come from driver or display profile conflicts that a reboot resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.